Fritz Nelson here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. I'm standing here with Brian from CellTrust. We're talking about encryption of messages.
Yes, CellTrust Corporation, we've put together a solution where we can encrypt messaging both on the SMS side and on the voice side, from phone to phone or from an administrator portal out to phones. The majority of our customer base has fallen into the enterprise space, so we have very heavy penetration into the healthcare vertical. Home healthcare has become very big, and obviously government is a very big client of ours as well.
And what level of encryption?
We offer a 256-bit AES encryption on our messaging. So it fits into FIPS 140-2 certification, which obviously goes with government, and also complements HIPAA requirements within the healthcare vertical.
Okay, and this is something even consumers could get from the app stores, yeah?
Consumers, that is correct. Consumers can download this, so they could go to the Android market or the Apple market and download it just as you would a normal device.
Obviously, one of the problems is whoever you're sending these messages to has to also have the app.
Absolutely. For the end-to-end encryption to truly work on a phone and to have your messages be secure, both parties do need it downloaded onto their device, which, you know, the more time passes now, it seems that if I download it, maybe I'm going to instruct or invite my friends to download it, similar to you would see on many applications on your device.
And the platform supported?
Platform supported, everything from iPhone to Android to BlackBerry to Windows Mobile. Additionally, J2ME devices, so older feature phones, can allow for the clients as well.
Now you've got an Android phone here. I think we have an iPhone as well, but what do you show us how it works?
Let me take a quick tour through this for you. You have basically your secure SMS micro client that you would have here. Opening up the micro client, it is secured with a 6-digit PIN, which does satisfy for HIPAA and FIPS certifications.
That was the same password that the Syrian president used, by the way.
I didn't know he liked the name Brian. No. As you can see, the client is made to be very friendly. So whether you're a doctor using this, whether you're a consumer using this, it's going to be very familiar. You have messages and contacts. The entire application is stored in an encrypted database. Now, if I want to go into my contacts, you see it's very, again, similar to your standard SMS reader-writer portal. I can import a single contact from my phone book, or I can import multiple contacts.
Can you do all?
You can do all as well.
But you have to actually pull the contacts in.
You do have to pull the contacts in. When pulling them in, if you are on a consumer version, when I pull these in, I might elect to say, okay, I'd like to pull Kevin in here, and Kevin does not have this on his phone. So I could send a standard text message to him to invite him to download this and go grab it from the market as well.
Okay, now, I mean, so we're going to send a message, we're going to, send a voicemail, but there's more interesting things here, like
there's a lot of neat additional pieces that you'll find within the micro client. For example, to start, when I send a message, I'm going to get confirmation that the message was delivered to your phone, and then consequently what time it was actually opened on your device. So that old adage that I never got your text message, well, yes you did, and you opened it at this particular time. On top of that, when you're sending, you have 2 additional features that are pretty neat. There's a message recall feature. So if you've ever been in that situation where I send a message out to you and say, oh my gosh, this was not the intended person for this.
Let's just admit it, we're talking about drunk texting, okay?
Hey, it's been there, done that, it happens. So, yeah, there's been plenty of situations where it happens out there. You can pull that message back now. The other pieces include message lifespan, so your kind of Mission Impossible 007 type feel. If I send a message to you, I could say, I only want you to read it once, and then take it off your device.
This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
That's exactly right, and you can actually put those times in there as well. So if I do want this message to self-destruct in 30 seconds, or 15 minutes, or 20 minutes, works. For healthcare, that's actually an interesting feature that they use because they have what they call priority messaging. If I send to doctor number 1 as more of a page, doctor does not open it or read it, I want it to go to doctor 2. If doctor 2 doesn't get it, I want it to go to doctor 3. So very good in terms of a system when you're putting those pieces together.
So you can set up rules.
Absolutely. The rules can, on an enterprise side, the rules can be enforced from the enterprise. So everything from, if I want to say, if folks in my unit, if they log into it incorrectly twice, wipe the device. If they log in incorrectly 3 times, wipe the device. If I want them to have message lifespan or have message recall, I can decide that from an enterprise side and manage my mobile devices.
Give us a sense, I know it probably differs, but generally the price for an enterprise?
Generally, the price for an enterprise is going to be anywhere from $2.50 per handset per month, all the way up to $8 per handset per month. So really, we put together a solution that's very cost effective and easy to implement from an enterprise standpoint.
Great, Brian, thank you so much.
Thank you, I appreciate the time.